Hello, this is Mrs. Bobby, and we are going to get going with our budgeting section. So, trying to get this so it's straight on for you guys. There. All right, so we're going to look at each day one, then day two, then day three in this one video. So you have a job at the mall that pays $11.80 per hour. Okay, so what we're basically doing here is showing you a budget if you have a minimum wage job and you have to live on your own, how everything kind of goes throughout life. So on this lesson, you don't really have to take notes. You just have to understand and watch how the math is being done, because this is a huge lesson in life. You're going to work 40 hours a week and you're going to get paid biweekly. So biweekly means every 2 weeks. So for instance, if you work 40 hours one week and 40 hours another, that's 80 hours you're making in that paycheck. So how much money did you get paid before taxes, which we called our gross income from a few days ago, each pay period? So our pay period, we would have $11.80 times 80, okay? We're not going to do the actual math on the screen. I'm just going to use a calculator, and we're going to take $11.80 and times it by 80, and that's $944. Okay, so that's for one pay period. And for two pay periods, that's meaning like your month. So then we would have our $944 for 2 weeks and our $944 for the second set of 2 weeks. Or you can look at it in the sense that you would have two paychecks in 1 month, resulting in this much money prior to taxes being taken out. Okay, so remember, this is prior to taxes, like we talked in our paycheck breakdown way back. So now we're going to use this to build off of our second day of this. All right, so we talked about, remember all the things that got taken out of the paycheck on the first day that I showed you. So now we're going to look at this. So New York State taxes are costly. New York takes roughly 24% of your income from each paycheck. How much money does New York State get from your check, and what is your take-home money? So we're going back to the $944. So we go back to the check of $944, and we have to multiply that by decimal point 24. Because remember, 24%, just like tax and tip, we jump it twice to get to our decimal. Okay, so now remember, the amount of money that we have here is going to be how much New York State takes out. So after I multiply this, they're going to take out $226.56 out of your paycheck. So for taxes. So we have $944 is what you had. That was your gross income. Okay. And now New York State is taking tax money out, which is $226.56 in taxes out of your paycheck. So then we're going to have to subtract these two numbers. So when we take $944 and we subtract out $226.56, we end up with $717.44, which is our take-home money. So this is our take-home money, okay? So with our take-home money, now we're going to have to start paying some bills. So we have $717.44, okay? And you have bills just like any other person in this world. Heating, electric, phone, internet, TV are just some of the costs. An average cheaper month of heat is $100, electric $75, phone $65, TV $60, internet $40. After we pay those bills, how much money do you have left from the paycheck? Well, first of all, let's put that money all together. So we have 100, then the 75, then the 65, then the 60, and then the 40. So 100, 75, 65, 60, and 40, and we got to add these bills up. So when we add those up, you get $340 just worth of those bills. Now remember, this isn't your only bills, okay, from your paycheck, okay? And actually, let's do it this way. So we're paying these once a month. Let's take out this $717.44, since this is our take-home money for one paycheck. Let's get our money for the whole month. Okay, so we have $717.44. Let's times that by 2. So our money that we actually have for the full month is this much. Okay, so now let's take the first round of bills out of that. So if we take $1,434.88 and we subtract the first round of bills, we are down to $1,094.88 left. And just remember, we have not paid our house payment or our rent or anything like that. So you just have to remember the $11.88 that we started back up at the top, that right there was minimum wage in the state of New York. Okay. And as always, this is budget day number 1. And as always, this is Mrs. Bobby. And I heart math and money and Diet Coke and CrossFit. I could go on. And let me make sure we see them all.